Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. In the world of precision targeting and long-range shooting, a reliable rangefinder is an indispensable tool. However, when the lighting conditions become challenging, such as during dawn, dusk, or low-light environments, the need for a rangefinder that excels in these conditions becomes paramount. Enter the realm of low-light rangefinders, devices specially designed to provide accurate distance measurements even when visibility is compromised. This guide explores and highlights the features of the best low-light rangefinders available in the market, aiming to assist users in making an informed decision based on their specific needs and preferences. Whether you are an avid hunter, golfer, or a professional marksman, having a rangefinder that performs exceptionally well in low-light situations can significantly enhance your accuracy and overall shooting or golfing experience. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Superstroke. The Superstroke Golf TXR 1000 Slope Laser Rangefinder is a game-changer in the golfing world, offering unparalleled features and accuracy for players seeking precision in their game. With slope technology, it not only provides accurate distance measurements but also calculates the terrain slope, offering a comprehensive view of the golf course. The device's design is both functional and stylish, featuring a sturdy and lightweight build, along with a large and clear LED display for easy data monitoring in varying lighting conditions. Water resistance adds durability and ensures reliable performance in adverse weather. The laser sensor facilitates fast and accurate distance measurements without moving the device, while the continuous scan mode speeds up the game by measuring distances to multiple objects quickly. Users praise the Superstroke Golf TXR 1000 for its precision, versatility, and user-friendly design. The device is water-resistant, switchable between slope and regular modes, and its LED display remains readable even in low-light conditions. The long battery life and warranty provide additional peace of mind for users. On number 4, Callaway. The Callaway rangefinder stands out as a reliable and feature-packed tool for golf enthusiasts seeking precision and convenience on the course. Boasting an impressive array of capabilities, this device seamlessly combines laser technology with pin acquisition technology, (PT), and advanced GPS functionality to enhance your golfing experience. Laser features. Equipped with pin acquisition technology, (PT), the Callaway rangefinder ensures swift and precise distance measurements. With 6x magnification, users can zero in on their target with exceptional clarity, while the device's accuracy to plus or minus 1 yard adds a level of confidence to every shot. The impressive range of 5 to 950 yards, with a 300-yard limit to the pin, provides golfers with the flexibility to assess various aspects of the course, making it a versatile companion on the fairway. GPS capabilities. Adding another layer of functionality, the Callaway rangefinder incorporates GPS technology to deliver front/center/back distances to the green. On number 3, Gagoo Sport. The Gagoo Sport Pro Laser Rangefinder, reviewed on February 6, 2021 by Travis, proves to be a cost-effective and feature-rich solution for golfers seeking improved distance estimation on the course. Here are the key aspects of this rangefinder: optics and vibrating alert. The Gagoo Sport Pro excels in optics with 6 times magnification, bringing objects into clear focus up to 650 feet away. A pulse vibration technology provides a gentle alert when the target is locked in, enhancing precision. Superior scan mode and slope calculator. The rangefinder features a superior scan mode, enabling users to view multiple targets simultaneously, beneficial for navigating hazards. Unlike competitors in its price range, the device includes a slope function and speedometer, offering accurate distances for uphill or downhill shots. High-quality lens and speed/accuracy. The lens quality is comparable to more expensive models, such as Leupold RX Full Draw 3 and Precision Pro NX7. While it may take around 8 seconds to measure the distance to the flag, the accuracy for hazard viewing up to 400 yards away is almost unmatched. On number 2, CatTech. The CatTech CatView stands as a testament to innovation and precision in the world of golf rangefinders. Boasting a patented one-step mode switching feature, It seamlessly transitions between non-slope and slope compensation distance displays, offering golfers unparalleled flexibility and accuracy on the course. Key features: mode switching technology. The standout feature of the CatTech CatView is its patented one-step mode switching, allowing users to effortlessly toggle between non-slope and slope compensation distance displays. This adaptability ensures that golfers can adhere to tournament regulations while still benefiting from the advanced features during practice or casual rounds. Flag seeking and pin validation technology. Equipped with flag seeking and pin validation technology, the rangefinder provides a precise distance to the flagstick while intelligently filtering out distractions behind the green, such as bushes and trees. The additional pin validation function adds a layer of confirmation to ensure accurate targeting. On number 1, BlueTees. The BlueTees Series 3 Max Laser Rangefinder, reviewed by Golf Monthly, proves to be a top-tier model from a relatively new brand in the laser rangefinder market. Here are the key takeaways from the review. Verdict: the BlueTees Series 3 Max Laser Rangefinder impresses as a premium-looking and performing device without the hefty price tag. The user experience is described as near faultless, with the display showing accurate distances quickly and effortlessly. Golf Monthly suggests that this new brand is a serious contender in the rangefinder category. Reasons to buy: exceptional clarity and speed in displaying accurate distances. Premium aesthetics that rival higher-priced models. Excellent value for money, providing top-notch performance without a steep cost. Reasons to avoid: the magnetic strap on the case has a tendency to come loose. Key features: crystal clear display with auto ambient display for readability in various lighting conditions. 88% light transmission for optimal visibility. Lock and vibration features for precise targeting. In conclusion, selecting the best low-light rangefinder is a crucial decision for those who find themselves navigating the golf course or engaging in precision shooting during challenging lighting conditions. After careful consideration of various options, features, and user experiences, it is evident that a top-performing low-light rangefinder is an invaluable tool for enthusiasts. The ideal low-light rangefinder should offer exceptional clarity, accuracy, and reliability even in dimly lit environments. Features such as high-quality optics, illuminated displays, and advanced laser technology contribute significantly to its effectiveness during dawn, dusk, or in other low-light scenarios. Among the contenders in the market, each with its unique strengths, users should prioritize a rangefinder that aligns with their specific needs. Factors such as design, magnification capabilities, ranging distance, and additional features like slope compensation should be considered to ensure optimal performance under low light conditions. So guys, this was the video about the best low light rangefinder. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.